I just take video. You can do it. Just take video. Oh, very nice. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's not even take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Want to jab him? Nah. Sure, he's big. He's quite big. Yes, I know. I know. Just take it easy. I don't want to. Oh, shark! I'll come down the front. Don't. Just take it easy. Just take it easy. If I come down there. No, just concentrate on the fish. Shark! We had a shark. I'll do this. Shark. Just bring it towards me. Oh. It's a shark. Oh. Shark. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Shark. We can eat it? Yeah. Really? Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's good effort. That's good. Oh. Oh. We caught plenty of children. Really? Yeah, probably. Yeah, we have to throw the children back. Can you give me the children? Yeah. I will take a picture of children. Yeah. This is with the shark children. It is a Discovery Channel. We got a children, plenty of children. Yeah, plenty of children. So we throw children back to the sea. Oh. So we do the good thing. We throw the children back to the sea and take the uterus of shark. Oh dear, shark uterus. Oh, but don't you put it out like this? But this one is a liver. You
travel very far, right?
I reckon this one is a river. This one it should be the placenta. Placenta. Yeah. Placenta. Placenta. Take out, come out of the placenta. Yeah. Sure. River. Yes, Josh. The skin is a bit sharp, I think. Or you sharpen with that skin.
Take a tablet, maybe?
No, it's still it. Love it. There. Good shot.